If you're a fan of deliciousness and want to improve your health in a super easy way, you're in for a treat. We're about to spill the beans, or should we say peanuts, on why making peanut butter your daily buddy is a total game changer. No fancy diets or complicated routines here, just some nutty goodness and some awesome perks coming your way. And guess what? We've got a little bonus for you at the end. Stick around to learn how to whip up your very own super healthy peanut butter that's as easy to make as it is to enjoy. Number 1, boosts energy levels. You know that feeling when you're dragging your feet through the day and all you want to do is crawl back into bed? Well, peanut butter can help you fight that slump and keep you going strong. So how does it work its magic? It all comes down to the awesome combo of nutrients packed into those humble peanuts. Peanut butter is full of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. When you enjoy this nutty delight, it gives your body a steady and sustained source of energy. Also, it's rich in vitamins and minerals like niacin, which plays a major role in converting food into energy. It's basically your body's little energy factory. And hey, if you need some evidence to back this up, a bunch of studies highlighted the energy-boosting power of peanut butter. One study published in the Journal of Pediatrics Child Health found that consuming peanut butter as part of a high-protein diet helped improve energy expenditure and fat oxidation in young athletes. Number 2, muscle building. Muscles are basically made of protein, and peanut butter serves up a hearty dose of it. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscles, and protein swoops in like a superhero to fix them up, making your muscles stronger and bigger in the process. But peanut butter doesn't stop there. It's got healthy fats that support hormone production. Hormones like testosterone are crucial for muscle growth, and those good fats keep the hormone production engine running smoothly. So if you're looking to get those muscles popping, don't underestimate the power of peanut butter. Slather it on toast, mix it in a smoothie, or grab a spoonful. Your muscles will thank you for it. Number 3, promotes gut health. Peanut butter is loaded with something your gut loves: fiber. Fiber's like the cleanup crew for your stomach. It clears out all the junk and keeps things moving smoothly. Okay, so just how much fiber do you get from peanut butter? Well, it varies a bit, but on average, a 2 tablespoon, 32-gram serving of natural peanut butter contains about 3 grams of fiber, which is about 10% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Also, a study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that eating peanuts and peanut butter can help boost the good bacteria in your gut. More good bacteria means a happier and healthier gut. Number 4, fights anxiety and depression. Peanut butter is packed with a superhero nutrient called tryptophan. Tryptophan helps your brain make serotonin, which is like your mood's best buddy. When serotonin levels are high, you're less likely to feel anxious or down in the dumps. Peanut butter also contains some B vitamins like niacin and folate. These vitamins team up with tryptophan to make even more serotonin. It's like a mood-boosting dream team. Now here's the interesting part. Some studies have explored the link between nut consumption, including peanuts, and mental health. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who regularly ate nuts, including peanuts, had a lower risk of depression. So when you spread that creamy or crunchy goodness on your morning toast, or dip your apple slices into it, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're giving your brain a little boost of happiness too. Number 5, helps with weight management. Now, you might be thinking, wait, peanut butter? That's gonna make me gain weight, right? Well, not necessarily. Peanut butter can actually be your secret weapon when it comes to managing your weight. It's packed with protein, which makes you feel fuller for longer. So, if you start your day with a peanut butter sandwich, you're less likely to be raiding the office vending machine. But it's not just about feeling full. Peanut butter's combo of protein, healthy fats, and fiber keeps your blood sugar levels stable. When your blood sugar stays steady, you're less likely to have those crazy sugar cravings that lead to overeating. There's science to back this up too. In a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, researchers found that people who added peanuts and peanut butter to their diet had better weight management than those who didn't. Now here's a bonus tip for you. When picking peanut butter, go for the natural stuff without added sugars or oils. Those extras can sneak in extra calories. And if you're curious about making peanut butter at home, we'll show you how in a bit. Stay tuned for that bonus. Number 6, boosts the immune system. Peanut butter is loaded with vitamins and minerals that play a vital role in supporting your immune system. One of these heroes is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant powerhouse, which means it protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Peanut butter also contains zinc, which is like the sidekick to vitamin E. It helps with the production of immune cells and antibodies, making sure your body can fight invaders effectively. Now here's where it gets even cooler. Peanut butter contains a special type of antioxidant called resveratrol. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's been studied for its potential to enhance the immune system. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Human Wellness found that resveratrol, combined with the natural compounds found in peanuts, boosts the activity of immune cells. It's like giving your immune system a turbocharge. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7, prevents gallstones. Gallstones are basically tiny, hard deposits that form in your gallbladder, and they can cause some serious discomfort. One way to prevent them is by maintaining a healthy weight. And guess what? Peanut butter can help with that, as we mentioned earlier. Its combo of protein, healthy fats, and fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating and weight gain. Peanut butter also contains healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can actually lower your risk of gallstones. These good fats help your gallbladder empty its bile more effectively, preventing the buildup of cholesterol and other substances that can lead to gallstone formation. Number 8, may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Do you know those nasty free radicals that roam your body and cause all sorts of trouble, including cancer? Well, peanut butter's got a squad of antioxidants, like resveratrol, that swoop in and put those troublemakers in their place. But wait, there's more. Peanut butter is also loaded with fiber, and this fiber isn't just good for your gut, it's a cancer-fighting ninja. It helps your digestive system stay in tip-top shape and sweeps away harmful stuff that could lead to cancer. Now let's back this up with some legit science. A study in the journal Carcinogenesis found that people who regularly enjoyed peanuts and peanut butter had a significantly lower risk of colorectal cancer. And for the ladies, another study in the International Journal of Cancer revealed that eating more peanuts and peanut butter during your teenage years can reduce the risk of breast cancer. Number 9, reduces the risk of dementia. It's all about the healthy fats in peanut butter. Peanut butter contains a type of fat called monounsaturated fats. These fats are like brain food. They help improve blood flow to the brain and reduce inflammation. And that's crucial because inflammation in the brain has been linked to conditions like Alzheimer's disease, a common form of dementia. Peanut butter also packs a punch with vitamin E, as we mentioned earlier. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects your brain cells from oxidative damage. Oxidative damage can lead to cognitive decline, which is a fancy way of saying your brain isn't working as well as it should. Some studies have shown that people who regularly consume nuts, including peanuts, have a lower risk of developing cognitive decline and dementia as they get older. It's like peanut butter is a little brain protector in a jar. Number 10, heart health. Peanut butter contains good fats, the monounsaturated and polyunsaturated kind. They help lower the bad cholesterol levels in your blood while boosting the good cholesterol. And that's a winning combo for your cardiovascular system. But that's not all. Peanut butter is also a good source of arginine, an amino acid crucial for nitric oxide production in your body. Nitric oxide is like a magical relaxant for your blood vessels. It helps them widen and stay flexible, which in turn promotes healthy blood flow. When your blood vessels are relaxed and open, it's easier for your heart to pump blood, and your blood pressure tends to stay in a healthy range. So, thanks to arginine in peanut butter, you're giving your blood vessels a little spa treatment. Number 11, supports eye health. Peanut butter brings lutein and zeaxanthin to the party. These are like the bodyguards of your eyes. They shield your eyes from those harmful UV rays and the harsh light from screens, helping you dodge eye problems like cataracts. But there's more. Peanut butter's got omega-3s that keep your eyes comfy and moist, no more desert dry eyes. Plus, niacin, also known as vitamin B3, steps up to help your eye blood vessels work better. And with a low glycemic index, peanut butter helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Keeping those sugar levels steady is a must for your eye health. And when you team up peanut butter with some delicious fruits and veggies, it's like giving your eyes a turbo boost. Number 12, contribute to healthy skin. We all want that healthy, glowing complexion, right? Well, peanut butter can help you get there. Peanut butter is loaded with nutrients that your skin absolutely loves. First, it's got vitamin E, which we already mentioned is an antioxidant powerhouse. It protects your skin from damage caused by free radicals, those pesky molecules that can lead to premature aging and wrinkles. So peanut butter acts like a shield, keeping your skin looking fresh and youthful. And healthy fats in peanut butter maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. In simple words, they keep your skin hydrated and supple. Dry skin can lead to all sorts of issues, from irritation to breakouts, so having a natural moisturizer like peanut butter in your diet is a win for your skin. Number 13, boosts hair and nail health. Peanut butter is like a treasure chest of nutrients that your hair and nails absolutely adore. First, it's got protein, which is like the building block for your hair and nails. When you munch on peanut butter, you're giving your body the raw material to make your hair strands stronger and your nails more resilient. Peanut butter also brings some vitamins to the party, like vitamin E. It promotes blood circulation to your scalp, which means more nutrients get to your hair follicles, making your hair healthier and shinier. And let's not forget about biotin, another vitamin found in peanut butter. It helps your nails and hair to grow faster and stronger. So if you want luscious locks and gorgeous nails, peanut butter is your go-to snack. Remember, we promised to show you how to make your very own super healthy peanut butter. For that, you'll need just one ingredient: roasted peanuts. Start by getting your hands on a batch of roasted peanuts, which you can find at your local grocery store. Then simply toss the peanuts into a food processor or blender. Blend them until they reach your desired consistency, which can be smooth and creamy or a bit chunkier, depending on your preference. You can add a pinch of salt, a little honey, and cocoa powder for flavor. And that's it! You've got your very own super healthy peanut butter, free from any added sugars or oils. Now, you might be wondering, how much should I eat? All these fantastic benefits can be yours with just a couple of tablespoons a day, and you won't be consuming too many calories. So go ahead, spread it on your morning toast, mix it into your smoothies, or simply enjoy it with a spoonful. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!